Let me show you the sunrise here. It's just about 7:45 in the morning. I'm a little bit later than I was hoping for, but I drove down to a place called Ocean View Park. I was actually here a couple weeks ago, and everything was still so frozen. I spent about 5 minutes and ended up leaving, so I'm hoping. Look at my shadow, I look tall. I'm hoping things are better now. So Saturday morning, try to get out early before the kiddos hit the park. Hear a puppy barking over there. You can see the ocean kind of over in that direction. That's why it's called Ocean View Park. It's a really pretty area. Not too far from my house. And they just fixed up the playground last year. Wood chips. Like I said, I'm hoping it's not as cold and frozen as it was before. I got my Garrett AT Pro. One of these days I'll have to break out my Fisher F2 and give that a try again. We'll see what we find. I just started there maybe about 30 seconds ago and walked down this way, and I'm getting what I'm pretty sure is a penny. 8.76. 76. So I'm betting we got a penny here. Well, I'm getting there and I'm getting there, so maybe I got more than one penny. Let's see. A little frozen, not bad though. Oh, there we go. Look at there. Just a Lincoln, 2004. Now let's take a look, because there might be more than one. No, I guess not. I guess I had my pin pointer down like that, and it was picking up more in one area. Alrighty, good start. Well, I just dug that penny right there and walked a few feet and getting what sounds like another penny. Or there it is, 76. Should be right in here. Sure I'm not picking up my detector. I forgot to look how deep it was. I didn't think it was very deep. There we go. I would say a penny would be my guess. Oh, look what I see down there. It is another Lincoln penny, and this one is a 2000 penny. Alright, well, found a couple pennies. Let's hope we find something more. Well, I've kind of done a little loop and back to where I started. Not too many targets. I found another penny, but I think I got another penny. Thought I'd better record it just because there's not too much going on. Where are we at here? 80 now. $76.80 sounds right near the surface. Oh, and it is right near the surface. Look there. $19.83. Finally getting a different target than a penny, maybe a nickel, in the nickel range. 53, 52, 55. Not supposed to be very deep. There you go. was in the nickel range because it was a nickel. 1977. Found a couple more pennies and got a different sounding target. Let's take a look. 67, 68. Kind of hanging in the 68. Right on top of it. It almost looks like a spent bullet. Kind of scary if that's what it is to have in a park. Well, I'm just about done here. I didn't cover every square inch, but I hit most of it. Found a few coins, couple dimes, nickel, some pennies. I'll do a roundup here in a second. Thought I'd just show my metal detector real quick. Garrett AT Pro. I use the got the waterproof headphones on there. I've also got the smaller coil on there. I find it's easier to metal detect around the playground equipment, the metal objects. And also it's a lot easier on the arm and the shoulder. So while no one else is around, well, there's just one lady down there with her dog, but while there's no other kids around, I think I gotta give this a try. The way it works is you push it up there. Let me kind of show you and then with gravity, it'll put you down this way. There's also one down there. I'm trying to see. I think the one down there has a kind of a steeper angle, so you go a little faster, but it runs on a track right here. And it's even got like a little seat belt for the kids. I don't see an age limit or a weight limit, so I think I'll give it a try. Oh, if I can fit into it, looks like it's gonna go way up high. Oh, you can't rotate it around, you gotta go backwards, huh? Okay, let's see what we can do. I thought this thing rotated and you could face either way, but you can't. So you end up going backwards one way. Alright, this is probably not the smartest idea I've ever had. I can't even get up that high. Okay, well that went a few feet. Thought I'd walk up here and see if we can get a better look at the ocean. Got a little picnic area. There you can see the ocean a little better through the trees. Well, here's my roundup of what I found today. Got your typical foil, really not too much. We've got two pieces of metal. The one on the right does look like a spent bullet. The one on the left, I'm not sure. It kind of does too. Kind of the most interesting thing I got was a Chuck E. Cheese token. Got 2 dimes, 1 nickel, and a handful of pennies. So not too bad. Just a beautiful morning. The sun's kind of went behind the clouds, but you can't beat the scenery. The ocean off there in the distance. Thank you for watching.